Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PandaDoc for sales proposal strategy, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for PandaDoc. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the PandaDoc homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see fields for email and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you prefer, you can click Remember Me for quicker future access. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email if necessary. Once logged in, you will be taken to your PandaDoc dashboard. Explore the available features for sales proposals on the dashboard. To create a new proposal, click on the Create Document button. Choose a template that fits your sales strategy. Customize the template as needed by adding your own content. When your proposal is ready, click on the Send button to deliver it. Track the status of your proposal through the dashboard. Utilize the analytics tools to measure engagement on your sent documents. Keep your login information secure for future access. You're now equipped to navigate PandaDoc for your sales proposals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.